Guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at my Slash two-wheel drive low center of gravity. Guys, so this car was essentially my high center of gravity Slash that has been converted to a low center of gravity Slash. Since the last Slash video, all I've done is I've obviously installed the low center of gravity kit. Change the brushless system. This one can handle 4S LiPo. I put the metal shock tower, the metal shocks, the metal camber links. I put the metal bell crank and the metal bumper. Besides that, it's essentially the same setup that I was running before in my high center of gravity Slash. As you can see, running stock servo, it's been working well. I do have the slipper assembly locked up. I was having issues with slipping on 4S, so I just decided to lock it up. So, that's about it, really. I have all the metal upgraded wheel nuts. 4-cell LiPo, which definitely makes it so much faster and so much more fun if you can control it. And I find it a lot easier to control when you're on the low center of gravity chassis. Especially on these tires. I mean, they're quite worn down now, but they're like sand rail tires and kind of big paddles. So it made the car like way higher. But the low center of gravity chassis like counteracted that. So the tires are really tall, but the car is still low down, so it still wouldn't flip over. We're still getting a lot of traction on sand and dirt, which essentially makes up my backyard. That's the end of the video. If you guys have any recommendations for the car, please list them in the comments section. That would really help me out. And thanks for watching.